therapy or a hot pack, and what busy moms need to know about this. So, as an executive mom balancing a demanding job and family responsibilities, managing any form of pain really can be very overwhelming, especially when it comes to your elbows, your arms, etc. Now, if you are experiencing the nagging ache of a tennis elbow, even simple tasks like lifting your child or typing or holding a cup of coffee can become very challenging. Now, tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis, as it is known in the medical world, it arises due to inflammation and strain of the tendons on the outer aspect of the elbow, often caused by repetitive motion or strain. I mean, there can be a number of reasons really. But today in our video, let's focus on the effectiveness of hot packs or heat therapy for managing your tennis elbow pain. Before we get into the topic for today, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Swati. I'm an executive mom power coach. I help moms of younger kids who work in high stress executive jobs to manage their spinal, that is back and neck, and nerve and joint pain, despite low energy levels and brain fog or lack of focus. Now, I do so by giving you simple exercises, some easy lifestyle modifications, some tips and tricks that have helped me in my own pain journey and my adrenal fatigue journey. Now, adrenal fatigue can have n number of symptoms. For me, it was mainly these two, which is low energy levels, and secondly, lack of focus or brain fog, as mommy brain. Sometimes it's also called that. All right, so I do all of this without taking away a big chunk of your time because, hey, you're moms, you're busy people, right? So let's get into the topic for today, which is tennis elbow pain relief with heat therapy, what busy moms need to know. Now, what exactly does a hot pack do? I mean, sometimes we just put on a hot pack or a cold pack and we don't even think about what it's doing. All we think about is the pain relief. But how exactly does it work? Now, let's break this down so you understand how and why, why it works for tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis or really any part of the body where you have pain. Now, heat therapy, when it is applied to your body part, in this case, your outer elbow or your forearm muscles for tennis elbow, it will help to dilate your blood vessels. It'll increase the blood flow and bring oxygen, nutrients to the damaged tissue or the affected tissue around the in and around the elbow and forearm area. This increased blood flow can promote healing by reducing the stiffness, the enhancing the tissue flexibility, which may feel especially soothing if your elbow feels really tight and achy. This could be the case when you wake up early in the morning. So those who have morning stiffness in their elbow and forearm because of tennis elbow, or probably you've had a long day and you're feeling that achiness or rather that pain or stiffness coming on in your forearm and elbow, especially if you're one of those who work at a computer and you're continuously typing, you are at your keyboard sending those long or multiple emails, this could be the case. All right, so for busy moms, the benefit of a hot pack is basically the convenience, right? You can apply it when you're sitting at your desk, checking your emails, you're just relaxing at home. So, one of the things that I have learned is to take my hot pack because I do suffer from tennis elbow from time to time when I'm not careful about my wrist posture. But well, that's a video for another time. And I have done a couple of videos on how your posture or the way you position your forearm and arm and your hand and fingers, basically, how that can aggravate your tennis elbow. If you want to look at those videos, you can go to my YouTube channel, just have a look there, or you can type my name, Swati Prakash Tennis Elbow, and those videos will pop up for you on YouTube. So, yeah, going back to what I was saying is if when I have the tennis elbow pain, I put my hot pack on and I take a little towel and or a piece of cloth and I wrap it around my forearm, or I take one of those soft belts that you use on your trousers and I wrap it around that hot pack. Of course, with a hot pack, always be careful that you need to have a layer of cloth between your skin and the hot pack to avoid a burn. Right, so just 15-20 minutes of applying that hot pack may be good enough for you. I mean, this is really variable for different people, so see what works for you. Now, hot packs are very effective in managing chronic lingering pain and stiffness that has been going on for several weeks. But some people, once that initial 24 to 48 hours of acute inflammation is over, some people benefit from that hot pack as well. Now, of course, when you're using a hot pack, you can also do other things like stretching exercises, braces, taping, avoiding repetitive movements, taking regular breaks, etc. So basically, what I mean to say is your hot pack is not an end all solution. It's not going to cure your tennis elbow. However, it is definitely going to help you move towards a long term management of that tennis elbow problem that you have. Alrighty, I have written a blog on this topic. If you want to have a look, I will leave the link to that blog in the description of this video. It talks more about hot packs, more about tennis elbow, repetitive movements, braces, etc. All that I've referred to very briefly in this video. If you're watching me on Instagram, the link is in my bio for that blog, and you can have a look there. If you can't find it for any reason, message me and I'll send it across to you. This blog also, yeah, has a free guide on what is the source of your tennis elbow. So if you're not sure if you have tennis elbow or you have something else that seems to be tennis elbow, you can have a look at that free guide. It has been useful for other people who've used it. All right, I'll see you guys next time. If you have any questions, any comments for me, do let me know and I'll be happy to answer them for you. All right, see you guys. Bye.